Listen up, let me tell all of you something. Let me tell all of you something for the last time. You see now, I'm on a high place. I'm on a high place. I'm on a high truck. You know what this it is? You know what it is, yeah? In case you don't know, this is Royal Highness King Jeff Agbola. Let me tell all of you something for the last time. He's getting to the level. He's getting to the point in this month of my celebration, the month of my month. When you know you sitting into this kind of people, when you sit down to think rubbish about me, and it will cut you off. It comes into the level of this time when you have no other business but to sit down, think what to say about me. Sorry, I'm gonna cut you off in my life. Come to the time when you have nothing to discuss with me. Let's go to the club, let's go have fun, let's go drink, let's go chase women. I'm gonna cut you off, you don't deserve to know me. You come to the time when the only thing you know, let's go sit down here. This guy say, the other guy say, this girl say, I need to cut you off. You don't need to be around me. You know why? Because I'm sick and tired of people. I'm sick and tired of people that they don't think the way I think. I'm sick and tired of people when I'm busy thinking about you, how to make you better, you not thinking about yourself. I'm sick and tired of looking at you every day, trying to do you a favor. I'm trying every possible best to do you a favor. You are not doing yourself a favor. You really come to the time when I need to cut you off, when the only thing you think about is to take from me, take from me, take from me. You never think about how to put for me, put for me. I don't want you to put anything for me. Put me business. Put me business. Put me the vibe. Put me the vibe. I'm sick and tired of this kind of people. When every time they come around me, only thing they think about, man, dash me this your clothes, dash me this your watch, dash me this your glasses, dash me this, dash me that. You never think anything good for me. All you want to know if you want to get my downfall, all you want to see if you want to see my downfall, these kind of people, I'm cutting you off. You don't deserve to know me. This is the right time for me to cut you off. All these people, unfaithful people, unfriendly friends, only thing they want to know is how I live today. Where am I going to go tomorrow? Where am I going to go next tomorrow? Those people that sit down to talk shit about, this car is not original, this car is this color of car is not good, this color of clothes is not good. I'm going to cut you off because you have nothing important to tell me. This is the right time to cut off this kind of people. All these kind of people I don't need in my life is these people that every day I'm sick and tired of how Thomas living in his house with his wife. Is it your business how Thomas live with his wife in a house? It's not your business. I'ma cut you off. You don't deserve to know me. You don't deserve to hang around me. My name is Chef J the King in case you don't know. My name is His Royal Highness King Jeff Agbola. Isn't the one of United Arab Emirates, 7 of our kingdom? In case you don't know, the sunshine of Banjana Bego, Ijelo Mawala Nina on the whole world. Listen, let me tell you something for the last time before I forget. I'm gonna crush your hair with the tire of my trailer. I'm gonna crush your hair. I'm gonna crush your when you come around me to try to do petty gossip with me. You know what I mean? Petty talking shit with me. I'm gonna make sure that I end it all in your life. I'm gonna make sure you go to the height you're never gonna come down again. Think something very vibe to your life. Think something very reasonable. Think how to make it in life. I really want good thing for you. My problem is, do you want good for yourself? Share this guy, share this guy, share this guy, share this goddamn video for the last time. Share my goddamn video. Tell someone that His Royal Highness King Jeff Agbola is saying. This is the right time for you to cut off those that talk too much. This your girl, she doesn't look good. This your girl, she sleep around too much. This your girl, she have too many girlfriend, boyfriend, she sleep with this guy. What the fuck your business is that, man? Keep your shit up, man, or yourself. I don't need your contribution about my girl. I don't need your contribution how I live my life in my way. That's my life. It's attitude life, baby. Is attitude life? You cannot change attitude life. Attitude will change you. You cannot change attitude. What the fuck do you know when you want to change me? You don't contribute to my success. You don't contribute to my going forward. You don't contribute to my making money. Excess money, self-made millionaire by God Almighty. So what can you do for me? To sit around and tell me to come eat? Sit around to tell me to come drink? Sit around to tell me how many guests is coming to the hotel? Come take one girl. Fuck you, motherfucker. You don't deserve to know me. Get the fuck out of my business. Get the fuck out of my way. Attitude, you need good class. Win the business. Share this motherfucker video. Share my motherfucker video. Share my motherfucker.